You need to open up your OBS and make a new scene. We're going to name this scene Jump Scare. Once it's named Jump Scare, we're going to drag the jump scare video into it. Just the jump scare video. We'll have that set up, double-click on it, and click Loop. Then we're going to make another scene, and we're going to name it Fake Skip. Once we've named it Fake Skip, we'll put the Fake Skip video inside of it and fit it to size. Put that on loop as well. Once you have the jump scare and fake skip scenes set up in OBS, open the settings and go to the hotkeys section. Scroll down until you find the fake skip scene and bind a hotkey to it. Then scroll until you find the jump scare scene and bind a hotkey to it. Finally, scroll until you find your default camera scene and bind a hotkey for that too. Apply all those hotkeys and remember them. Once you have your keybinds set up in OBS, Open Voicemod and move your jump scare audio into the soundboard section of Voicemod. Click on the new audio and add the same keybind as your jump scare keybind in OBS. Now it's all set up and ready. Whenever I press my jump scare keybind, it'll play the audio and trigger the jump scare. Whenever I press the fake skip keybind, it will fake the skip. And that's all it takes to perform a jump scare and fake skip.